Hello everyone! Today we'll take a quick look at the CS Cart Advanced Notification module, which allows admins to display notifications for multiple events such as order creation, RMAs, reviews, and more. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is the admin panel. Now go to Add-ons and click on Downloaded Add-ons. Here you can see the Advanced Notification add-on. Since it is already installed, click on it. Next, go to the Settings tab, where you can view all the configurations related to both customers and admins. From here, you can define when customers should be notified of specific events and when admins should receive notifications, based on your requirements. By enabling the Order Status option, customers will receive a notification whenever the admin changes the order status. Next, enable the Shipment Created setting so that customers are notified when a shipment is created. The same applies to RMA creation, discussion, and user group change events. In the admin notification settings, you can enable Order Created so that the admin receives a notification whenever a customer places an order. Similarly, notifications can be enabled for RMA, review added, discussion, and user registration events. From this section, you can also configure the notification timeout as required. You can enter any integer value to define the notification timeout. After this interval, the notification will be marked as read. For example, enter 24. Once all configurations are complete, click Save. The settings will be saved successfully. Now go to the website, click on Themes, and then select Layouts. Here you can add a block for the notification icon by clicking the plus button and selecting Add Block. Next, open the Create New Block tab, choose Template, enter the block name, and then select the Advanced Notification template. Then click the Create button and your changes will be saved successfully. Now go to Marketing and click on Advanced Notification. Here you will see the Custom Notification panel, where you can add users and send custom notifications to customers. Click the plus button, enter the subject, and then add the target URL. Then enter the short description and add the content here. Next, click the Add User button, where you can add either a single user or multiple users. In this case, select one user, then click Add Users and close the window. After completing all the configurations, click the Send button. Once you click Send, the notification is sent to the customer. After sending the notification, you can click on the gear icon, where you will see options to edit or delete the custom notification. From here, you can modify or remove it as needed. Now, let's move to the front end. Here, you can see the notification icon. Click on it to view the custom notification. Then, click Read More to see the full content. Click on the notification icon again, and when you select Got It, the notification will be marked as Read. This completes the custom notification setup. Now, let's move back to the admin panel. When the admin changes an order status, an automatic notification is sent to the customer. For demonstration purposes, the order status is being changed from paid to complete. The notification is sent to the customer. As you can see, a new notification is received indicating that the order status has been changed from paid to complete. Now, let's create an order from the customer side to see how the notification is received in the admin panel. Select a product and click the Add to Cart button. When the pop-up appears, click Checkout, enter the required details, and then click Place Order. The order has been placed successfully. Now, go back to the admin panel and refresh the page. Click on the notification icon, where you can see a notification indicating that Order 187 has been created. By clicking on this link, you can directly view the order details.
And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.